Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I will tell you video editing software for mobile. I have also video on video editing software for computer, so go and check it out also. So first on the list is Filmora Go. Go and search for Filmora Go in Google Play Store. It is also on Apple Store also. So here you can see the Filmora Go app and its rating is 4.0, which is very good, and here's are some cool features of Filmora Go. If you're a beginner in video editing, then this software is for you. And these are some of the great features of this software. So I recommend you to download this software. So next we have Power Director. So its rating is 4.5, and if you know a bit of video editing, then you can use this software very nicely. So here are some cool features of this software. And let me show you something about this app. So here you can see it's keep on updating, and it's very good software, and it is completely free. So next we have KineMaster. So here is app for KineMaster. It's 100 million downloads. Here are some cool features of this KineMaster software. It has a rating of 4.5, and here is something about KineMaster software. So it is a really professional video editing software, and it is completely free. So I recommend you to download it.